Okay, so welcome to MSHGQM. I need to start off this video presentation by apologizing to Microsoft and the Power BI team, Power BI community. You know, for weeks I have been saying that totals in Power BI matrix and table visualizations are stupid and broken. And it turns out I have been completely wrong on this issue. Right, completely wrong. And I think that when you're wrong about something, you need to step up and admit that you're wrong. So, you know, as I've been saying, is that table and matrix visuals, you know, the totals are stupid and broken. Well, it turns out that table and matrix visuals in Power BI are not stupid and broken. And they're not stupid and broken because table and matrix visuals in Power BI actually do sum the rows. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, well, we're seeing this all right on your screen. They clearly do not. But they do. So I've been wrong about this, and I'm going to show you why I've been wrong about this issue. And I'm going to do it from scratch, just so there's, you know, you can't say that I'm, you know, doing anything fancy with video editing or anything. Not that I ever do anything fancy with video editing on my channel. But yeah, I'm going to show it to you right from scratch. And all I did to prep for this was I took this report right here, proof that measure totals are broken. I published it out to the service. That's all I've done. So let's go through it. We're going to pull up Power BI here. And we're going to do a table or matrix wizard. We're going to create a new data set. Create new. We're going to pick our Power BI data set here. Build. Let's see, I put it in mastering Power BI. And then here it is, proof that measure totals are broken. Going to select that. Click OK. There's our data source. Wait for a little bit. Wait a little longer. There we go. Okay, take a look at our sales. Kind of drag our salesperson over, drag our product over from our measures. We're going to pick our incentive measure, which was the last measure that we created in the manifesto video. And we're going to click next. Let's drag salesperson into row groups, product, incentive measure into values. Click next, click finish. And let's run this. And so as you can see, 9,500 right there, it sums the rows, right? And if I expand salesperson, I can see I have 1,500 and 3,000 and 4,500. So also it's summing up, you know, the rows and everything. So again, yeah, I've been 100% completely wrong on this issue. Table and matrix visuals in Power BI actually do sum the rows. They're not stupid and broken. So there you have it, right? You know, proof. Okay, turning off sarcastic Greg at this point. I hope this demonstrates for everyone that's out there where I show like, hey, I convert a table to a stacked visual. Like, whoa, that total makes total sense, you know, complete sense for a stacked visual. But, you know, a table, it's just crazy that you would do it that way. Well, it's not so crazy. And actually, Power BI, in Power BI Report Builder, it's how it works. It sums the rows. It doesn't evaluate the DAX in the total in the context of all blah, 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 all selected, right? So, you know, I hope this puts to bed once and for all that, you know, oh, it's just learn evaluation context and, oh, this is how DAX works. And it's not how DAX works. It's how the visual was coded, right? And why does this work in Power BI Report Builder? Well, because the developer that actually created this visual wasn't an idiot. Just they weren't stupid. They knew how tables work. That tables are naturally, the rows in a table are naturally a category, just like your label in a stacked visual, right? So they weren't an idiot. They knew how tables were supposed to work. Whereas in Power BI Desktop, well, I won't be mean. I'll just leave it at that. Have a good Sunday.